Alright, so good evening guys. Good evening sa lahat na nandito. Yeah, this presentation po ay ano lang is educational. Alright, so welcome everyone and thank you for joining us. Before we begin, please note that this presentation is for educational and informational purpose only. Alright, nothing shared today should be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always do your own research and rely on official One Trade and ARB Group resources before making any decision. Ayan, magandang hapon po. So ako nga pala, si Divine or Divina Bateman. Was raised and born in Negros Oriental. Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Canada kasama yung aking family. So I started One Trade in just June the 1st. Okay, so wala pa tayong 30 days. Ayan. So allow me to share my screen po and we'll dive into it. Okay. All right. So, sorry, sino bang pwedeng i-co-host dito? Oh, that's fine. All right. So welcome, Sis Gina. Now, oops, my presentation. Okay. So, yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Thank you, Sis Gina, for hopping on. All right. So, let's go back to slide 2 here. Wait a minute. All right. What happened? Oops. Ba't hindi ko makikita yung aking slide to? Okay na lang, liitan na lang natin. Hindi siya nakikita. What's wrong? Okay, I got it. All right. All right. So, join our team. Okay, let me introduce our team. We're a community of individuals who are passionate about learning. Ayan po, supporting others, then sharing educational and information only. All right. And our goal is to help guide na or share po kung ano man po yung aming na-experience dito sa One Trade or our group. Ayan. So ako po, ayan pong itang ating business partner, yan po yung ating CEO. Simple lang po niya. Ang pangalan niya po is Evgeny Levin, visionary leader and a global founder. He's been into arbitrage trading for almost 15 years. And he lives in, taga Russia. All right? So, ang atin pong direct upline, ang nag-enroll po sa akin ay si Coach Janice. Siya po ay taga New Zealand. Ayan. So, ang sunod po ay let's dive into crypto. Itago ko po kayo. So, uh, this slides again is only an information overview of the platform One Trade. And it's highlighted the use of cryptocurrency exchanges. Diba pinanood natin yung video earlier? All right. So, may API siya, technology, and smart contracts. Ayan yun. Tapos, facilitates the platform processes. The goal is to simplify the user experience while providing access to available platform features. So, ito po, kagandahan lang po ng ating arbitrage trading is very simplified po siya. Tapos once po tayo mag-create ng account, tapos fund, mayroon po tayong transaction ID. May mga invoice din po ng ating mga deposit confirmation. Ayan. So, every deposit po natin ay mayroon tayong smart contract. Nagbe-vary po yan ng ating smart contract depende po sa ating inilagay at sa ating ifinapan, pero ang minimum fund po dito ay $100. At saka depende din po siya sa kung magkano ang return every day. Kasi nag-range kasi ang return daily is 1 to 3%. Ayan po. Alright, let's go to the next slides. Ngayon, hindi ko nakikita. Okay, tago ko nga kayo. Para hindi kayo nakaharang. Ayun, ganda pa. Okay, so, ano siya? Automated and logical. All right, transparency. sobrang transparent po. Pinakita ko kayo na sa previous slide na talaga makikita mo yung transaction ID. Alright? So, importance of features of blockchain technology. These slides explain the transaction records can be viewed on the blockchain using transaction ID. Ito yon. Yan, lahat po na activities dito, kung saan napunta yung ating fund, kung anong tinitrade ng ating fund, makikita po siya. No hidden fees, okay? The entire arbitrage spread in the transaction belongs to the participant. Ayan. So, transparency of the trade cryptocurrency arbitrage ensure that the publicity of the blockchain, kagaya nga nung sinasabi ko noong una. Ayun siya. So, it emphasized platform focus on transparency and monitoring. So, napaka-ano talaga niya, napaka-transparent po ng system. Ayan. So, ang sumunod is, ito yon na open siya sa public yung API. Makikita po natin mamaya, isi-share ko po yung aking account, okay? Para makita niyo po talaga publicly. OneTrade is built transparency in mind. Ayan. So, every transaction is recorded on the blockchain. Kagaya nito, nakikita niyo yan. Nagsisend ng 1,000 USDT. Mayroon tayong transaction ID. Ganitong itsura. Okay? Kung live pa yan, live pa yan sa back office, makikita natin talaga yung blockchain, anong oras binili, saan ang gagaling, saan papunta. Ayan yung ID na yan. Yung order, yan ganyan. Sending, ayan, o receiving man, kung nagpa-fund tayo, magsasabi yan dyan, fund or receive. Ayun. So, the platform is designed to provide visibility. Ito na nga yung nakikita natin dito. Alright? Into transactions while using blockchain technology to record keeping. Ayan. So, clients can see what price and what portion of the pool is being sold or bought. So, unlike others na, di ba, hindi natin makikita yung mga transactions. Dito, nakikita natin yung mga transactions. Ito nga yon. This is how it look like. Ayan. So, client can see when opposing orders or use and at what price. Ayan. So, clients also can see overall result of the bidding, their actual spreads. Makikita talaga natin. Ayun. Buying and selling, makikita din natin yan. Inter-exchanges arbitrage. We have made our system clear and transparent. All right. So, ganun siya ka-transparent. Now, next po is constant liquidity and high level of transaction security. Okay. So, it enables communication between supported exchanges and allows users to view transaction details, pricing information, and activity with the platform. So, ganito po yun. Unrevealed market, the liquidity aggregation, makikita talaga natin yung lahat ng activities ba? Ayan, mayroong risk reduction and legalities, best price and interchangeability. So, kung kailan nag-execute yung SBY, kung anong binay ng arbitrage. Let's say, ang tinitrade lang talaga natin for now is USDT versus any other currency. Pero nung last week lang, nagbukas na yung BTC. Let's say, for example, USDT Ethereum, USDT BTC, USDT, yung ganyan. Ayun. So, talagang focus lang tayo dito sa crypto pala. Ayun, crypto lang tayo. Alright. So, ang sumunod is the arbitration spread is always positive. So, our money is trading 24 hours. Unlike sa Forex na nagtitrade lang ng 5 days. Kaya yun ang napakaganda nitong si arbitrage. Ayan. So, ang ating pera, sabi ko nga, $100 yung minimum deposit. Alright. So, automatic din siya mag-generate ng arbitrage contract and invoice once you funded $100 US. Then, pag mayroon ka ng, ang daily return ng iyong $100 is, nag-a-average siya, possible return is 1.07 plus. Nung may isang araw, umabot siya ng 3%. Depende po yan sa market value every day. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong net spread. Ayan. Depending on the cryptocurrency and demand. Ayan. We do not operate with market volatility. we choose the best market offer. Ayun. Tapos, 35% plus per month and above. This is the systematic approach. We analyze the market, filter requests, post profitable offers, minimize risk, and scale result. So the difference between buying and selling rates can be from 0.25, and with repeated transaction, this becomes a significant source of stable income. Ayan. So pag mayroon ka ng $10 wallet address, pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw. Yan. So let's say for example, nag-range 'di ba ang profit is $1, 1.07. So kung mayroon kang $100, it will take sometimes 10 days bago ka maka-withdraw ng $10. Ayan. So kailangan na rin nating isi-set up kung gusto mong i-auto reinvest yung iyong pag mayroon ka ng return na $10, we can do that or gusto mo lang siyang i-auto withdraw. Kukuha tayo ng wallet sa ating any blockchain, ginagamit natin dito is SafePal. Then pag mayroon ka ng $10, automatic na siyang mag-withdraw papunta doon sa iyong SafePal wallet. Ayan. So the smart contract is automated, auto mode, sends all received spread to personal wallets. Ayan. All right. Pag sinit up niyo either with or invest. Ayan, mayroon tayong Eileen from Toronto. Ayun. So now, mag-i-invest tayo. So investing na naman ngayon. So yun na yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Investment confirmation by invoice. So the system design talaga ang system na identify price difference. Hindi kagaya ng Forex na hinahabol natin yung magbabayad tayo ng high or magbabayad tayo ng low, magbabayad tayo ng low, magsisell tayo ng high, right? Dito, ang arbitrage is the company present arbitrage, nagbabayad siya ng operates license, paano na nga ba sasabihin? Alright. Design and nag-ano siya ng difference. Okay? The system is designed to identify price differences. Ayun, kung anong difference ng buy at saka sell across supported exchanges and automate the process. Ayun, based on available market condition. So, hindi basta-basta nagbabay si arbitrage. Okay? Nagtumitingin siya kung saan yung difference na mas magandang bumili na magka-profit talaga. Ayun. As with the digital assets, actively result may vary depending, magvi-vary talaga yung result. Kasi sabi ko nga, minsan, $1 nung isang araw, minsan may $1, 1%, 1 up to 3% ang daily return. Depending sa market conditions and participation involved risk. And may risk talaga siya. So, any amount invested in arbitrage is confirmed by an invoice, sabi ko nga kanina sa previous slides. Then the document contains the company's obligation to investors. What does that mean? Yung ating ini-invest, mayroon siyang contract. Okay? Mayroong trading contract. Yan, hina-highlight ko talaga yan. For example, mayroon kang invest na $100. So, ang contract obligations mo is magiging 200 siya. Kasi clients receive 200% of the volume under management to their personal wallet address participating in arbitrage operations. Ayun. Pag tinatanong mo naman ako kung gaano yun katagal, hindi natin malalaman. Depende nga sa daily return. Kasi nagbe-vary ang return 1% to 3% daily. Ayan. So the contract is considered fulfilled when the total amount of payments reaches full coverage. The obligations amounting to 200% of the contract investment. So let's say for example, umabot na siya ng 2 months or 2 to 6 months, pag na-reach na yung 200%, finish na yung contract mo. So it's either kung nag-auto withdraw ka, then kung magkano na yung naiwan doon bago magiging 200%, then yun na yung ibabayad sa'yo. If ikaw naman ay nag-auto reinvest, edi compounding yung pera mo. Tuloy-tuloy lang yun, yung kita daily. Ayan. So resources for execution, profit is generated from the result of open arbitrage trading and it's sent daily to clients' personal wallets. Kung kayo ay pinili nyo nag-auto withdraw. Yan. But we can help you set everything up. Alright? Ngayon, susunod is easy access to one trade. Wala pa tayong mini app. Meron tayong web version pa lang. Very, very easy siyang i-access. Ayan. So ngayon, mayroon tayong authorization automatically via Telegram account. Mayroon tayong mga account group sa Telegram. Ayan. So convenience and instant access without downloading. Kailangan mo lang ng account sa Telegram. Ayan. Server application and synchronized with the web version. Yun nga, sabi ko wala pa tayong app, web version pa lang yung ating ginagamit. So integrations with other services, data encryption. Ayan. OneTrade is simple, universal, and reliable. Yun. Ang OneTrade is secure service siya. Kasi make sure na yung mga wallet na yan, yung personal information mo, kayo lang may access niyan. Alright? Hindi ang OneTrade, kundi kayo. Okay? Kayo po ang may login, kayo ang may, mayroon pa nga Google Authenticator na once mag-login kayo sa different IP address, hindi talaga yan malagin once kasi i-ask yung Google Authenticator code. Ganun ka-secure ang ating site. Okay? Server-side validation of Telegram web app. Ayan, baga, naka-ano talaga siya, walang basta-basta makalagin sa ating account. Ayun. Secure yung money natin, right? Kasi tayo yung may access sa ating account, sa ating pera. Okay? Hindi yung ako, hindi yung upline nyo or anybody else. Kayo lang talaga ang may login at makikita nyo daily yung iyong investment, ang inyong daily return, everything. Sorry guys. So coordination and control by our group. Yan yung ating corporation without third party influence. So we own the system. Yan yung system na our group. Tapos we own the blockchain din na OneTrade. Broker, I mean. So legal and open inter-exchange arbitrage for OneTrade. Ayan. So open din tayo sa 200 plus countries. License din tayo sa mga countries na nabanggit ko like North America and South America, Asia, Europe, and somewhere else. Sabi ko, 200 plus po yung ating countries na covered. Ayan. So, ang susunod ay this simple automated system. Kaya ako nasasabing automated system is shown here. Nakikita po natin ang mga numbers. Kagaya niyan. Ito po ay sa marketing side po ito, yung 3% of your network income from 33 levels. Hindi po, optional lang po ito. Okay? Kung gusto niyo po na mag-market, I mean, every client dito, once mayroon na kayong account, mayroon po kayong link. May kanya-kanya tayong link. Siyempre, pagka kumita na tayo, ay di, siyempre naman, blessing yan, di ba? Kailangan din natin i-share para tayo lang yung, hindi lang tayo yung may biyaya, kundi lahat na tao na ating kakilala or kamag-anak, kaibigan, yung ganyan. So, but this is completely optional. But why not naman, di ba? Sa daming pwedeng kitaan dito, 5 stream of income dito. If you choose to share this OneTrade to others. Ayan. So the progression in development is stable. Ayan. So the program uses a ranking model that determines the depth of levels from which you receive daily profits. Upon closing each rank, you will receive rewards. So let's say for example, ito yon ang rewards. Nasabi ko nga completely optional ba, hina-highlight lang talaga namin to kasi sabi ko nga, bakit naman hindi natin i-share kung tayo ay nag-generate ng daily return, right? So, ang unang income, unang rank is bronze. So, kailangan po nating mag-deposit ng $500. Tapos, yun pong ating dalawa, kailangan lang po natin ng dalawang direct. Kailangan din po nilang mag-deposit ng take for $500, total of 1,000. Then, wala, kayo po ay bronze na. Yan po yung first rank ng one trade. Okay? Ngayon, kung kayo ay kagaya ko na mayroon kasi akong previous business, marami akong na-enroll. Let's say for example, mayroon kayong 10 na na-enroll, tigwa 100 lang sila each. So, total of 1,000 na yung direct volume, meaning nag-enroll talaga yung 10 directly sa aking link. So, qualified na tayo sa bronze. Ayan. We can enroll as many people as we can. Wala po ditong limit. Alright? By the time, kung ganun po na walang limit ang enrollment, unlimited din po yung income. Dito, pag i-share natin si OneTrade. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi dito. Suppose your structure has generated 1,000 USDT, okay, in volume, the system tracks volumes across all active levels. Kailangan po, active yung lahat ng mga members na yon. Alright? So, in every 24 hours, yung partners, yung kinikita po ng ating partners, let's say, nag-amount siya ng 20,000 USDT, the network program earns at 3% rate. So, mayroon tayong $600. Pero makikita mo lang yung network volume pag nakarank ka na ng bronze. Pag ikaw po ay investor lamang, hindi ka nag-share, hindi po natin to ma-avail. Okay. This example average profit with floating values which are subject to current market conditions and volatility. So yung network volume rewards, nagde-depend po yan sa ating daily return, kung magkano po yung daily return ng ating client, ang ating network, doon po tayo kikita daily. Ayan. So I will explain it further po pag kayo ay member na at gusto nyong i-continue at i-pursue ang marketing side. Okay? Now, next, ito na yung another stream of income. Pag ikaw ay nag-rank ng bronze, ay makakakuha ka ng network bonus or volume daily, yung binanggit ko kanina, from level 1 to 3. Ayan, di ba sabi dyan, kailangan mo ng personal deposit ng $500, total volume mo 1,000 USDT, tapos you just need 200 active personals, alright? So, ang minimum withdrawals mo, time will come is 1,000 USDT. Ayan, so on and so forth. So the more you rank up, the more you need to have high deposit and the more total all personal partners you need. Ayan. So, kailangan mo rin ng more active personals at saka the more you work, the more daily withdrawal ang ating marireceive. Mamaya, ipapakita ko yung video ni Coach Paul na ang kanyang daily na withdrawal is 7,000 sa kanyang partner program at pangalawa sa kanyang network program. Ayan, dito nag-ano na siya, infinity na siya eh. Actually soon. So magiging grand pa siya as of now, but soon he's gonna be infinity. Ayan. Alright, sa susunod na po tayo is additional reward system. Ito yon. So sa network naman ito, 2% volume. So example, di ba nabanggit ko kanina, pag nag-rank up ka na, marami kang pwedeng kitaan. Hindi lang yung rank mo, yung personal partner mo, mayroon kang 3%, tapos sa network volume is 2%. Ibig sabihin, nabanggit ko kanina, level 1 to 3, ayan bronze, level 1 to 3. Kahit hindi nyo direct yung level 2 or 3, basta nailagay ng system under sa'yo, kikita ka dyan ng 2% sa kanilang daily return. Right? Ganyan kaganda ang system. So, di ba? Kailangan mo lang talagang mag-bronze in order for you to get this network volume. Magsa-start ka na mag-earn ng network volume. Ayan. Aside from that, pag nag-rank ka ng bronze, mayroon ka ulit na one-time cashback na $100. Ayan siya. So, si Sis Malu, nag-rank up siya kanina ng silver, nagkaroon siya ulit ng total of $200 extra. So, nagiging 300 siya. So, meaning, ang kanyang network volume nagiging 15,000 na, yung kanyang personal partners nagiging 2,000 na. Meaning, yung mga tao na yung nag-enroll sa kanyang link. Ayan. So, the more you rank up, the more the more yung iyong cashback, the more din yung network volume at saka partner volume. Ayan. So, sunod is leverage one trade to unlock your full potentials. I-leverage talaga natin, guys, kasi in the world of financial management, the leader is resilient. Ang ating talagang leader, napakabait niya. Napaka-transparent. Makikita natin yung CEO natin sometimes 2 or 3 times a week na nagsa-Zoom talaga siya. Tapos, stable strategic player. So far, nakikita naman namin is mabait siya. Alright? Napaka-simple lang talaga. So here, there is not only public and verified obligations, but also a unique, economically sound financial strategy. Ayan po si OneTrade. Okay? So ngayon, thank you guys so much. We made a smarter choice, stronger futures. So sa lahat po nag-attend ng Zoom, thank you for listening to our presentation tonight. Your attention and engagement mean a lot to us. We appreciate your support and interest in OneTrade or our group. We look forward to growing together and building a stronger future with you guys. So, that's all from my presentation. Kung mayroon tayong mga questions, sasagutin ko po. Alright? Mag-stop muna ako ng sharing para makita ko kayo. Ayan, meron tayong 8 people. Oh, wow, thank you guys for watching. Okay, so, as I've noticed, si Sis Telma lang yung guest dito. All of us are members. So, Sis Telma, you can ask a question po. Huwag kang mahiya. Feel free to ask. Okay, thank you guys. Stop ko na muna yung recording.